Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your homes. Children, this video is regarding your holidays homework. Okay? So, you are getting some holiday homework which you have to complete. Alright. Now, children, there are certain instructions that you have to follow while doing your holiday homework. And that is that you will do your holiday homework in a separate notebook. Okay, you can do it in any notebook, a separate one or an old notebook or on sheets if they are available with you. Okay, so homework you will do where? In a separate notebook, old notebook or on sheets. Then your homework will be checked or discussed later when your classes will start after your vacation. Okay. Then children, in this homework you also have an activity. So this homework basically has two parts. Some questions that you will be doing in your separate notebook or old notebook. You also have to do an activity which is also a part of this homework. Now the activity that you will do, it will be done on A4 size sheet. Okay, so not in your notebook, activity not in notebook, but on an A4 sheet. Okay, then children, you will not upload entire homework on Campus Care. Okay, you will only upload the image of the activity. Okay, so read point number 4 carefully, that only activity image needs to be uploaded on Campus Care, which you will upload in assignment homework section. Okay, and the last day for submission of activity is 10th June 2021. Okay children, so follow these instructions. Then I'll just read out the questions which are a part of your homework. So first question is fill in the blanks. Alright. Okay, so first question is fill in the blanks. Then second question is one word answer. Okay, so just you have to read out the statements and then you have to give one word answers for these. Then question 3 is you have to differentiate between external and internal body parts with examples. Next question is definitions. You have to define certain terms which are given to you, that is skull, trunk, upper limbs, lower limbs and organ system. Okay, and then you have question number 5, which is you have to write the functions of the following internal organs. So you will be writing the functions of brain, heart, lungs and kidneys. Okay, now comes the activity, and like I told you, that activity you will do on an A4 sheet. Okay, and this activity you will upload on Campus Care. Okay, now how to upload the activity? Your class teacher will send a video link regarding that, so you can take help from there. Now the activity is you have to draw, label, color and explain digestive system and respiratory system on a drawing or A4 size sheet. Alright children, so you will draw, color, label and explain two organ systems, that is digestive system and respiratory system on an A4 size sheet. Okay, अब आप एक ही शीट पर organ systems को draw करेंगे. Okay, and you will explain them also. ठीक है, and then this activity you will upload on Campus Care. So children, I hope the holiday homework is clear to you now. The 5 questions you will do in a separate notebook. Okay, old notebook or sheets, whatever is available to you. And then this activity, this you will do on A4 size sheet and you will upload it on Campus Care. Alright children, so do your homework carefully and please stay safe at your homes. Thank you children.